Hello everyone, now we are going to see the Python graphical user interface. For that, the question is to find the BMI calculator for you by using the PyCharm output. Now we are going to see that from tinctor import, and then we want to import the tinctor from with the message box. Now we are going to see that definition of clear entry is age into delete of 0 comma n, and the height into delete of 0 comma n, and the weight into delete of 0 comma n. Now we are going to see the calculate PMI, which has given is kg is equal to int of weight into get m is equal to int of height into get. Now BMI is equals to kg by m into m. Now the BMI is equal to round of BMI comma 1. Now we are going to see the index of the BMI. The main index of this BMI is to see that if the BMI value is got 18.5 below the 18.5, then it shows that underweight. Else if else it shows in between the 18.5 greater than 18.5 and less than 24.9, it shows normal. If else it shows the 24.9 in between the 24.9 and 29.9, in between these values it shows the overweight, and at last it shows the else if else it is in greater than 29.9, it shows obesity. Now we see or else it shows that error. When we are then the value is more than that or less than that, it shows some error. Now we are going to see that W is equal to the tinctor, WS is equal to the tinctor. Now the title of that is BMI calculator, which the geometry of it is 400 into 300. Now the configuration of it is which is equal to has 68 6E70. Now we can see that variable is equal to int variable is frame of WS pad x 10 pad is equal to 10. Now the frame is equal to pad of expand is equal to true. Now we are going to see that age is equal to frame text is equal to enter the age. Now we are going to see that age of grid is coming at row is equal to 1 and column is equal to 1. Now we are seeing that age is equal to entry frame. Now it coming at the grid of row 1 column 2 and pad by 5. Now we are going to see the height, which is at the label form of text is equal to the in centimeters. Enter the height in centimeters. It shows at the row of 3 and column of 1, and the weight of the label is shown at the kgs, and it shows at the row is 4 and column is 5. Now we have to see the entry frame of the height, which was the row is equal to 3, column is equal to 2, and pad y is equal to 5, pad e is equal to 5. And we want to see the entry frame of the weight, which was at the grid of row is equal to 4, column is equal to 2, and then pad y is equal to 5. Now we are going to see that frame 3 is equal to frame of frame, that was which the frame is shown in grid of row is equal to 5, column span is equal to 3, and pad y is equal to 10. Now we want to see the calculate is equal to button of frame 3, and text is equal to calculate, and command is equal to the calculate BMI. Now we see that calculate of pack is side is equal to left. Now we want to see at last is clear is equal to button of frame 3, for which the command is to clear entry of the given text. and else we want to exit for after overing our conditions, we want to exit the frame button button of frame of 3, which is text is equal to exit, or command lambda, which was the W of destroy. Now we can see the exit back of side is equal to right. Hence WS is WS into main loop. Here is the coding part. Now we are going to see the output. Here is the output. Now I am giving some age of 26, the height of 178, and thus weight of 73. Here we can see the message box which was shown the BMI is equal to 23.0 is normal. That means here we can show that here we can see, saw that at in between that 18.5 to 24.5 it shows that normal. Hence we want to clear it. We want, at last we saw no here we saw the exit to cancel and destroy the functions is known. Hence prove. Thank you.